Good morning, friends. I hope you are fit and fine at home. Today, our topic is atom and its characteristics. We will discuss about atom. First of all, atom. Atom is the word which derived Greek atmos. Atmos is the Greek language word which means indivisible. Indivisible means cannot be cut. Cannot be cut या डिवाइड, जिसको तोड़ा नहीं जा सकता. एटम ग्रीक लैंग्वेज वर्ड एटमॉस से लिया गया है विच मीन्स इंडिविजिबल या कैन नॉट बी कट या डिवाइड. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू डेमोक्राइटस, Democritus give the idea to his teachers. Matter is made up of tiny particles that is called atom. Matter is made up of tiny particles that is called atom. Atmos means atmos is the Greek language word and is Democritus belongs from the Greece and he give idea to his teachers. Matter is made up of tiny particles is called atmos, and according to Indian philosopher according to Indian philosopher Maharishi Kunaj, Maharishi Kunaj told the smallest particles of matter is called anu. And there's anu is made up of subatomic particles, that is परमाणु. According to Indian philosophers Maharishi Kunaj, he gives the ideas the smallest particle that help for the materials matters, that is called anu, and their subatomic particle is parmanu. And next is after this John Dalton, after this philosopher John Dalton put forward the Dalton atomic theory. Dalton atomic theory. Dalton atomic theory is given by the John Dalton in 1803. He told all matter is made up of tiny particles, that is made up of atoms, molecules या ions. All matter made up of tiny particles is called atom. And second, atom can neither create atom can neither will create nor destroy. And third, atoms of an element are identical. Means the atoms of a particular atom, they are all are identical. For example, gold is element. Their smallest particle is same property shown by the piece of the gold. And fourth, atoms of different elements are different in shape, size, color, state. Means atoms of different elements are different. Their shape, their size, their color, their state different from other elements. Okay, next is the composition of element in atom. Composition of atom means atom is made up of subatomic particles. That is, there are three subatomic particles: proton, electron, and neutron. These are three subatomic particles help to form the atoms, and out of this proton and neutrons, they lie in the nucleus. Out of these three, proton and nucleus lies in the nucleus. Nucleus क्या होता है? The central core of the atoms, that is made up of proton and neutrons, is called nucleus. Nucleus is made up of these two, proton and neutrons, and electron revolves around the nucleus. Electron revolves around the nucleus in same as the in our solar system. Solar system, sun lie in the center and planets revolve around the nucleus. And in electron, they revolve around the definite path. That path is called orbit. Orbit can, what is orbit? The path of electron revolves around the nucleus. That is orbit. Orbit का electron का path definite fixed path. They not change their path and they revolve around the nucleus. It means nucleus lie proton and neutrons. And proton has positive charge. P means proton. P means positive charge. Electron has negative charge particles, and neutrons no charge. Proton